Hi everyone, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS and welcome to episode 4 of Easy Healthy Snacks. So in this video, we're going to be making an air fryer banana dessert healthy snack. So you can have this as a dessert or a snack whenever you need something that comes together in 5 minutes. And it is so delicious. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. All right, so we have our entire banana here, just like this. Wash the peel and you can throw it right into your air fryer like that. So easy. And we're gonna close that up. And then we are gonna air fry that at 390 for 6 minutes. Make sure to flip it halfway at the 3-minute mark. I pulled my banana out of the air fryer. It's nice and hot. Perfectly cooked. I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle. Now for our toppings, we're just going to add about a tablespoon of peanut butter, a few chocolate chips, optional, you can add a little bit of maple syrup, and a dash or two of cinnamon. If you want to make this recipe without an air fryer, all you have to do is bake the banana in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Flip it halfway to make sure it is evenly cooked. This comes together so fast and easy in the air fryer, which is what I love about it. But keep an eye on your banana. Every air fryer is different, so you want to make sure that it is fully cooked all the way through for the best results. So stay tuned. We are about to do a taste test.
All right, taste test time.
Yeah, time for the taste test.
This looks fancy.
Yeah, 5
Let's
minutes.
see what it's all about. Syrup. That's nice.
Really nice. I love it. Such a good way to eat a banana. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.